Now we will check out the clock settings. So you can toggle the clock on and off on the toolbar. Yes, it is working. Again, you can see that IceWM settings manager has disappeared. So every time this happens, it is very annoying. Now you can change between 12-hour and 24-hour time. Okay. So this feature is also working. Then show seconds. Right. This is not working. Definitely this is not working. So some things are not working. Most of them are, but every time we change to the next setting, the control center is not responsive. It disappears from the desktop and it is not restored from the maximized from the toolbar also. Okay. Now show clock in LED. Okay, first we will have to do this settings. Okay. Okay, so now what we can do is we will use this reset to default contents. So this will set to default contents for the clock. The clock is not there right now. So now you have to hit the show clock on. So now the clock has come up again. Next, what we can do is we go back. Okay. Clock, and then we can show the clock in LED. Yes, so LED has come up. Now, okay, so now what we will do is we will go to window management, show application icon on window title bar on and off. Title bar, click a window to memorize its position, create large windows on and off, and show indication of position when moving the windows on and off. So this is it. So what happens? Okay, so I think this is also not working. We can go to the menu. So you can manage your personal menu entries, personal sub menu on and off, run menu entry on and off. I think this is all broken. It's not working properly. You can change the themes, everything I have shown you earlier, and in auto start you can add auto start or remove application from the start file. Let us do this. Okay, add application from the list. Let us see if we can add. No, this is also not working. Yes, now it has come up. So what we can add, let me check. We can add VLC player. Let us see. So VLC player will open up every time the system restarts. Okay. Cannot get file name for icon and okay. So maybe it will not work. Let us see. So we added this. So we can at least add whether it will work or not. We will have to check in the next reboot. Okay, and recent files. Select the number of recent files displayed in menu. So it is the recent files. Okay. Okay. Recent files, edit keys, overlays, menu, label toolbars. Let me check. It is not showing anything right now. Okay, so only 10 things it is showing. Recent files. So again it is not showing. So this is all broken. It's not working properly. So that's it. I will now stop the video here. We have seen how to change the toolbar settings, system tray settings, clock settings, and many settings. We have seen how to change all these things, and personal settings and entry on a run menu, entry on off. That I think it is not working. This is all not working properly. Many of the things are not working. You can feel you have seen earlier during the review how to change the wallpaper, appearance and themes, everything. compositor on off. So that's not to be checked again and again. So that's it. We have completed some very unique features of AntiX Linux. That is, you can just use many of the settings from the basic IceWM manager in the control center of AntiX. And now I will stop the video here. See you in the next video with some more